It didn't just take homes, it took lives. Firefighter and a dozer driver killed in this massive inferno in Redding, California.
We mourn the loss.
Overnight, the car fire tripling in size, fueled by 70-mile-an-hour winds.
Wow.
Crews forced to switch from defending homes to getting people out and saving whatever they could.
Fire's creeping real close to some residences up here.
120 structures damaged as flames jumped the Sacramento River and a wall of unstoppable fire swept in.
This is just crazy. It's just out of control.
With this firefight now going block by block, firefighters are losing more houses by the hour, and there is very little they can do.
Conditions so explosive, a mass exodus created chaos in jammed roads. A local television station pulling the plug on its live broadcast.
We are going to leave the station because it is now unsafe to be here.
This is a monster.
In Southern California, the Cranston fire creating its own weather near Palm Springs. Firefighters in danger.
They put their lives on the line to save everyone else's and their property. We just can't thank them enough.
In Central California, the Ferguson fire shuttering Yosemite Valley another day.
I've been doing this 31 years, the most explosive fires that I've ever seen in my career.
Explosive and deadly. Super fires erupting in every region, lighting up the Golden State in a dangerous glow of red.
The conditions are so bad here in Northern California, the National Guard has been called in. At one point, they were rescuing babies from a local hospital as a precaution as they were treating the injured. And as you can see tonight, Lester, in so many communities, the devastation stretches block after block.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.